the world's weirdest animals. Do you think this animal is weird looking? What about this animal? Most people don't think dogs look strange. You've probably seen dogs on the street, in the park, or at home. They look familiar to you. Other animals look unfamiliar. That's because you haven't seen them that much. You might think they're strange, or creepy, or gross. But are they really all that weird? Animals look the way they do for a reason. Let's find out more about some of the world's strangest critters. It could be that they're not so strange after all. Is this a creature in an alien movie? No, it's a star-nosed mole. It lives right here on Earth, in the wetlands of the US and Canada. A star-nosed mole is blind. So how does it get around and find food? That's actually its nose. The nose has 22 tentacles that help the mole feel around and find its next meal. You can find weird animals in the water, too. Or out of it. Wow, what a jump. That's a mabula ray. It's a kind of fish that leaps right out of the water. The ray's flat, wide body might look strange, but it helps the mabula rays jump so high. The ray starts its leap pretty deep in the ocean. It picks up speed as it makes its way to the surface of the water. Then, its wing-like fins and flat body help it soar. Scientists aren't totally sure why these rays leap out of the water. They might jump to communicate with other rays. Or they might just be showing off. This kind of salamander lives in the water, too. Does it look funny to you? It's called an axolotl. Axolotls might look odd, but they're actually amazing. They can regrow any part of their body. Humans can't do that. Scientists study axolotls to try to find out more about them. They want to learn about their amazing ability in order to help people, such as those who have lost an arm or a leg. And what are those feathery things on an axolotl's head? They're gills. Fish and amphibians like salamanders breathe through their gills. It's how they survive underwater. The world is home to many strange-looking insects, like this one. It's called a rhinoceros beetle. Can you guess why it's called that? It has horns like a rhinoceros. These beetles can pinch with their horns. Sometimes they use them to dig underground to escape danger. And male rhinoceros beetles use their horns to battle other males. They can throw their opponent into the air with their strong horns. Who do those bright eyes peering through the dark belong to? They belong to an aye-aye, a kind of endangered mammal that's found only on the island of Madagascar. Aye-ayes are nocturnal, which means they're active at night, so their big, wide eyes help them get around in the dark. They also have big ears and an extra long finger on each hand. Both help them find food. Aye-ayes tap on the trunks of trees and listen for any bugs moving around inside. If they hear one, they use their long finger to dig inside the tree and pull out the bug. They also use this finger to scoop out the flesh of coconuts and other fruits. Yum! Aye-ayes aren't the only funny-looking animals that live in trees. This is called a frigate bird. It might not look all that weird now. But the male birds do something a little strange when trying to get the female bird's attention. They put on a little show. That red spot on their necks blows up like a balloon. Some males even spread their wings and flap. They make a lot of noise. Is it enough to get the attention of nearby female birds? Maybe. Some animals might look weird to us. They might seem a little scary, or make us laugh with their strange behavior. But these animals look the way they do for a reason. And after learning more about them, maybe you've changed your mind. The world's weirdest animals might just be the world's coolest animals.